The EcoBurner is clean burning, reusable, much more cost effective, and frankly much safer. There are a number of reasons for this. One, wick fuel can spill and it can cause burns. Wick fuel is toxic. Proof of that is, if you look at the underside of the water pan, you'll see it's got black soot on it. That doesn't happen with EcoBurner. EcoBurner is windproof. If you take wick fuel and use it outside, it can either blow over, or the flame can be pushed to the side, or it can turn over. With EcoBurner, it is impervious to the wind. Example, I'm blowing on it and it's still burning. That's the reason why you should seriously consider using EcoBurner, and it's available for use even in your existing chafing dishes.